Our planet is home to a staggering number of people. As of 2025, over 8 billion souls share this Earth. That's 8 billion lives, each with its own needs and desires, all relying on the same finite resources. This ever-growing population is putting an immense strain on our planet, leading to a cascade of consequences that threaten our very existence. The signs are everywhere. Cities are bursting at the seams, sprawling concrete jungles encroaching upon once pristine landscapes. Forests, the lungs of our planet, are being razed at alarming rates to make way for farmland and housing. The sheer number of people consuming resources at an unprecedented rate is pushing our planet to its limits. We are witnessing the depletion of natural resources, the degradation of our environment, and the alarming acceleration of climate change. The situation is dire, but it's not hopeless. We have the power to change course, to create a sustainable future for generations to come. But it requires a collective awakening, a recognition of our interconnectedness with nature, and a commitment to responsible stewardship of our planet.
Every human being needs food, water, and energy to survive. However, with so many mouths to feed, the demand for these essential resources is outstripping supply. Arable land, suitable for growing crops, is becoming increasingly scarce. This is leading to deforestation and habitat destruction as we clear more land to meet our agricultural needs. Water scarcity is another pressing concern. Aquifers, the underground reservoirs that supply much of our fresh water, are being depleted faster than they can be replenished. The energy sector is also feeling the pressure. Our reliance on fossil fuels is unsustainable, polluting the atmosphere and driving climate change. As the population grows, so too does our energy demand, exacerbating these problems. We must find new ways to sustainably manage our resources. This includes investing in renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power, and adopting more efficient farming practices. We need to reduce our consumption and waste, and transition to a more circular economy where resources are reused and recycled.
As our population swells, so too does the amount of waste we generate. Mountains of plastic waste are choking our oceans, harming marine life and entering our food chain. Industrial activities and vehicle emissions are releasing harmful pollutants into the air we breathe, leading to respiratory problems and other health issues.
The burning of fossil fuels releases greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, causing the planet to warm. This warming effect, known as climate change, is leading to more extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and disruptions to ecosystems.
The consequences of inaction are dire. We must act now to curb pollution and transition to a more sustainable way of life. This requires a multi-pronged approach, including investing in renewable energy, promoting sustainable transportation, and implementing stricter environmental regulations.
The challenges posed by overpopulation are daunting, but they are not insurmountable. We have the ingenuity, the resources, and the moral imperative to create a more sustainable and equitable future for all. Education is key. By empowering individuals with knowledge about the impact of their choices, we can foster a sense of responsibility and encourage sustainable practices. This includes promoting family planning and access to reproductive health care, particularly in developing countries where population growth is highest. We must also prioritize sustainable development, ensuring that economic growth does not come at the expense of the environment. By investing in renewable energy, sustainable agriculture, and green technologies, we can create a future where human prosperity goes hand in hand with ecological well-being. The time for action is now. Let us rise to the challenge, embrace our role as stewards of this planet, and work together to create a world where both humanity and nature can thrive. The future of our planet and the well-being of generations to come depends on it.